Hello friends, today we'll discuss on a very important topic, dangers of chemical fertilizers and pesticides and the best alternatives to chemical NPK fertilizers and chemical pesticides to protect our mother nature. Coming up. Before we start, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel along with the notification bell icon. Also, please like, share and comment below with your feedback to support the channel. Let's start. We all know that plants need major primary nutrients, that is NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and also the secondary or trace or micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, boron, zinc and so on. These are either derived from number 1 natural sources, what we call organic fertilizers, for example cow dung, vermicompost and many other stuff. Number 2 inorganic or chemical fertilizers like NPK crystals, DAP, urea and so on. Now I list out the harmful negative effects or the dangers of chemical fertilizers and pesticides that you frequently use in your farming or home gardening. You please make a decision yourself after watching this video till the end. On number 1 is groundwater pollution. Nitrogen fertilizers break down into nitrates and can easily go down into the soil. These are water soluble and can accumulate in groundwater for decades. And if you keep adding more nitrogen over the years, this has a cumulative effect. Moreover, these effects of chemical fertilizers are compounded when you mix or use chemical pesticides. You know the fertilizer urea produces ammonia and contributes to acid rain, groundwater contamination and ozone depletion due to release of nitrous oxide by denitrification process. If we continue this use in future, this hazard may increase several fold in the coming decades. And remember, studies have shown that groundwater contamination has been linked to stomach cancer, goiters, that is thyroid enlargements, birth defects in babies and also hypertension. And even aquatic life is also significantly affected by water pollution, and fish and other aquatic animals may not get adequate oxygen and can die. These are called dead zones. Then on number 2, air pollution. Excessive use of chemical NPKs can release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. These can cause respiratory problems, cardiac disease and many cancers. A special mention about the blue baby syndrome, medically it's called methemoglobinemia. This occurs in infants, and one cause of this problem is attributed to chemical overuse and pollution, where due to reduced oxygen in blood, the baby turns blue. Then on number 3, fertilizer burns. You can burn your favorite plants and crops if used excessively, especially leaf burn and root burn. This fertilizer burn can even kill your favorite plant in addition to the hazards it causes to the environment. This fertilizer burn will not happen when you use organic or natural fertilizers. Then on number 4, depletion of beneficial organic matter, beneficial microbes and even minerals from the soil, that is reduced soil fertility. This loss of organic matter can lead to soil acidification, soil compaction and hardening and other ill effects which makes it vulnerable to soil erosions. Researchers also say that depletion of minerals from the soil can also lead to low quality foods with lesser mineral and vitamin content. On number 5, though the chemical fertilizers will help the plant grow faster, plants will not be healthy and strong. And plants grown in this manner do not have enough time to mature and do not have time to develop a strong root system and strong stems or good nutritious fruits and vegetables. And also they will be less likely to survive because they will be more susceptible to pests and diseases as they lack good immune system against these pest attacks. The bottom line is there is a large threat to environment, animals and human health. Chemical fertilizers will ultimately end up leaking into our water bodies, ponds, streams, groundwater, and so on, and contaminate your water supply, and as a result of which humans as well as animals may suffer numerous short-term and long-term hazardous chemical effects on their health. So let's together take a pledge today to stop using these chemical fertilizers and pesticides and start using organic fertilizers and pesticides to keep our Mother Earth safe for the present and for the future. Happy gardening!